4, 3, 2, 1. On this one guy. Kill this one guy. Yo, come west. Yo, ditang, don't go too deep. Come west. Flappy, come west. Walk west now. Yo, careful they're gonna engage on front.
Nagpapa-engage ako.
Keep on west.
Engage mo.
Yo, help. Okay, kamis now. Yo, QW on this guy. QW. I'll fake. Yo, Q's and W only. QW on 7 ways. Wait, come west.
They have engaged
You're
na,
ready
10
on
seconds,
7 ways.
8
Ready?
seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, come back. Defensive. Yo, come east now. Walk east now. Come east. Come east. Spread east. Yo, look on east. Wait. Keep on east. Look on the crowd
Same
now.
city
5.
kayo same city kayo.
Wait. Come west. Can you use and double on the D-tank DPS? Come southwest. Yo, wait. We're gonna counter. Wait. Just hold. Yo, defensive. Yo, keep come northeast now. Yo, ready northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Yo, come southwest. Walk southwest. We're gonna kite southwest. Come southwest now. Heal on the front, please. Help the front. Yo, careful on the front, D-tank. Come west. Yeah, OC now. OC. Come west. Keep on. Yo, defensive on Flappy. Heal Flappy. Yo, D-tank. Come west. Walk west. Keep kiting west. D-tank. Come west. Keep kiting. Can you regear, guys? Kite west. You're careful on front, ah. You look on this bedrock on my south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this bedrock now. Kill the bedrock. Kill this bedrock. Come on. Come northwest.
Fine. Engage
D-tank,
yan,
can you stop the
engage yan.
D-tank on front? D-tank. Come northwest.
They still have engage ha, they still
Come
have engage.
west. Walk west. Keep walking west. Yo, they engage. Heal Jame. Healers. Come east. Walk east. Yo, come deep east on the back line, guys. Come to the back line. Come east. You're ready east. 5,